Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing precisely. Have your raid chip ready, equip any required keys, and confirm teammates. Once done, check levels and assign clear roles so everyone knows what to tank, heal, or dish out damage. Next, approach the raid NPC or menu, pick the difficulty that matches your group, and use the raid chip to spawn the encounter. Make sure to communicate timers and spawn points immediately. This reduces wasted attempts and prevents the raid from failing in the first minute. You must maintain momentum during the mid-phase by focusing priority targets and handling mechanics fast. Once the raid triggers phase shifts or shields from the raid chip activation, call out those mechanics and mark positions. Make sure to kite dangerous adds and interrupt healer casts while preserving resources for the boss. Rotate cooldowns and consumables at planned thresholds, for example at half and low health, because coordinated burst windows turn fights around. Keep voice chat sharp. You complete the raid by committing to final burst rotations and cleaning up leftover adds. Secure loot swiftly and distribute rewards. If things go wrong, immediately review what failed. Was it missed interrupts, poor cooldown timing, or an incorrect role build that left you exposed? Once done, iterate. Adjust gear, change the raid difficulty, or swap a teammate to cover a weak role. Make sure to practice the troublesome mechanic in a controlled run so your next raid chip use has a high success rate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.